Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make mint oil using mint from my garden. First, wash it and cook it in hot water for, let's say, 10 to 15 seconds. You don't want to keep it in there too much for the nutrients to be depleted. Now transfer the mint into ice water. This helps keeps the color of the mint all green. So now I'm going to strain the water and try to blend it up in a blender. I'm using my coffee grinder because it's much easier for me to use. It's now time for me to fry or cook the paste in olive oil. Excuse my voice, I have a bad cold today. So transfer it into the oil on low heat and stir it until the mixture turns brown. Then you know it's all ready to use. So next step is to try to separate the leaves from the oil. Look at that. It is so pretty. I just love the pop of the color. So now I have to bottle these up to use on daily basis. I am so excited to use them on my starter locks, which I've had for 8 months now. I will be posting progress videos. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.